What's going on, guys? Great day for Sofi. So Sofi absolutely crushed earnings, 16% up on the day after hours. If you guys have been following my videos on Sofi, I've pretty much been giving out these levels, right? This $8, $9, that was the short-term bottom. Not saying we're not going to ever touch those levels again, but that was pretty much a short-term bottom. I notified everyone in the Discord, and I believe on the last Sofi video that I did, or even the previous one prior to that, I said that, you know, this move that we had coming off of these lows of $8 back into this 1050 ranges into a previous demand zone. So this demand zone is going back a little bit time, but we had a pretty serious demand zone in this level. Kind of was thinking that if we can break out of that and consolidate, maybe we have a push higher. And lo and behold, earnings is what we needed. We did break out, currently trading at $13.25. So absolutely fantastic move. I did start a starter position in Sofi yesterday. So I went long, not too many, just a few hundred shares, kind of just building into this position. Obviously, you know, we don't know where the market's going to go. I'm going to try to build up to around 1,000 shares of Sofi in my long-term portfolio, but you know, I kind of want to see where we're going to base out. So this is good earnings right now. I need to see, you know, do we just take out this $14 level clean and clear and then kind of back test and go from there? Then I'm going to have to accumulate some more shares in this area. But I would expect a little bit of profit taking tomorrow, maybe some sort of pullback in the morning off the open. And maybe if we do pull back into that $12.50 range, $12 range, might be enough time for these moving averages to catch up and create a new demand zone. Maybe I'm thinking somewhere between 1235 and around 1279 would definitely be a good area to kind of accumulate some more shares. So obviously for the big overall picture, we need to need to get out of this new supply zone here at $13, $13.40, and we need to get over 14. I think as soon as we close over $14, I think we could see some consolidation and some accumulation here in this area for the next push higher. So if you're looking to start averaging into your position or maybe averaging down on your position to get ready for that next big run, I think we're going to need at least a couple of days of consolidation. We're going to need a little bit of accumulation in this price action. We're going to need to build what's called a little bit of a floor. Okay, we're going to build a little bit of a floor. And we want to be able to push off that $14 back up into 16. So if I kind of just take a look here at what's going on with the daily time frame, if I take a look at the daily time frame here, you can see this previous supply zone that we're coming into. So it's going to be about the same thing, right? You can see a lot of choppiness action here in between supply and demand. We did have this one breakdown, and now we're working back towards the top of supply. So before you start going long tomorrow because we had good earnings, let's get a close above supply and then a back test. Give it another week, give it another couple of days. You want that move to happen. Last thing you want to have happen is get so excited, FOMO in tomorrow into 14, into that $14, $13, $14 area. Last thing I want to see anyone have happen to them is you guys FOMO in just because of the good earnings, which I'm excited about just as you are. And then get rejected at supply and then to come all the way back down to 11 or 12. Let's not have that happen. We are going to need a little bit of a break in trend. That break in trend is going to be a breakout over the $14 area, and then we're going to need a back test. As soon as we get that back test, I could see a little bit of accumulation here. And if we can make this our new floor, then this is where we're going to want to get in long. Next price target, $16.71. Guys, I hope that video helps you. Remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live on Discord, where I'm throwing out technical analysis levels, that link is down in the description box below. And if you guys want to learn my strategy for trading, visit evolutiontraders.com, and I'm going to see you guys all on the next video.